If you want to draw on photos on Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is you can go to the gallery. Next, we can choose the photo that we wish to draw something on, and then we can use this pen that we have at the bottom of the screen in order to start editing our photo. In here, tap on this smiley face with a pen, and over here you should be able to find the draw option. Of course, we can also find stickers and some other stuff in here, so be sure to check that out. And let's say we're gonna stick with the drawing. I'm gonna choose the red color in here. We're gonna make it slightly thicker, and then we should be able to start drawing anything that you want to draw on your photo. Of course, once you are done, we can save the photo as a copy. What you can also do is you can use this AI menu in here, and you can use sketch to image. This allows you to, for example, draw something to add from a sketch to something in reality, I guess, to something that should be available in here. Unfortunately, I am using like I don't know, like the button navigation, so it's kind of confusing in here. But let's say if we can actually try to draw like a road or something in here. Unfortunately, I have to draw objects smaller or closer, so maybe instead of this road, I'm gonna try to draw something like a tree, and let's see if it's going to work. We can tap on generate, and hopefully my really amazing drawing is going to be converted into an even better tree. Of course, it's going to take a short while to convert it, but there we go, it actually worked. We can also see the original, the generated image, and also we can keep generating ones until we are satisfied with the result. And there we go. We can save as a copy, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.